Hello guys, today I will show you the simple tutorial how to make a donation in your allies in a game Revenge of Sultans. Okay, first thing you must join in allies. Yeah, this is our allies, and then yeah, this is our leader, the King Paimon, and how to make a donation, because donation is very important. It's very important for your power, to increase your allies power. So in this game you must work and help each other. Yeah, the important thing, you must obey the rule of your leader. Yes, for example, in our allies, our leader is King Paimon, and then what she said we must obey about his rule. Okay, just click this alliance and then click this. Yeah, in this you can see the technology and donation. Okay, just if you want to, you can choose more of. Yeah, but in the last, this is still locked. Yeah. Okay, just click this and then click this. Okay, we have reached our time to make donation in our allies, and then click this, just click this, yes, and click this. Yeah, it is simple. And trop expansion, you must donate a lot of this item, because a lot of this item is very important to increasing your allies power. Yeah, and then our leader will be make our allies be more stronger. The donation is very important to increase our power. Yeah, so to play this game, you not only to making for example, to grab more lumber or grind and then increase your power itself, but we are in one community, and then we must work together and help each other to increasing our allies. Okay, yeah, this is my castle. Yeah, if you see, yeah, we are more, the more member has joined in our allies, and then our leader King Paimon is the castle of our leader. He has managed our allies as well as. Okay, thank you.